what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Soundcore R50i ANC. Now we're gonna be checking it out, this kind of bad boy, what's so special and what's so grooving throughout it, because you know me, I've been using the Soundcore products for a while and this captured my attention. Come here close. It's something which is so good about the Soundcore R50i ANC, and we're gonna be unboxing this kind of bad boy to see what's so special, because it captured my attention since I've been using the Soundcore P20i for a while, and I decided, you know what, let us just grab this, will be my bad boy through using it and exploring it. So enough of me talking, let's get started through the video of today. So guys, we're gonna be unboxing it right now, and so as you can check it out what's packed inside. Okay, nice packed, not bad. Okay, you're getting first thing first, you're getting the paperwork, as you can see, how you can read it, how you can connect it and stuff like that. Secondly, you're getting some extra tips whereby you can interchange throughout your buds. Another stuff, you're getting the USB-C. Last but not least, this is your bad boy. So we're gonna be unboxing it just like that. Really nice, and it has a really nice touch and feel. And yeah, just like that, that's how it is. Really cool R50i by Soundcore. And what does this do? Oh, this one holds your phone. Like, you can keep your phone and it just stays here. This is so much dope, to be honest, but we're going to be testing it and see if it's really being able to just sustain throughout holding your device on this side, because they say it can, and it shows here throughout the picture, as you can spot it. That's how it holds your phone. So it seems to be great. Just keep it this way and your phone stays somewhere here, which is really nice. So let us just pair them, let us just explore throughout the sound and see what's packed inside. So right now we're going to be testing this kind of bad boy and experience what type of sound does it have, because you know Soundcore the way they are, right? So first thing first, you just have to remove these kind of stickers. There's stickers here which they just have to interact with your case. If you don't do that, just know that it won't be interacting with your kind of case. So you just have to remove it and yeah, bring it back. As you can see, it's glowing right now. That means as you can see, there's transparency. Like I can hear surround. Yeah, I can even hear the kids here. There's a school somewhere here. And when I just tap on normal, it just becomes normal, and the sound is so intense. When I just tap on noise cancellation, that's noise cancellation, and it's even having wind noise reduction. That's like something additional which I saw it on the Soundcore lipstick. It was lipstick or lipstick kind of buds, which we reviewed it last time. I'll keep a video here so as you can see, and it's really cool. You're having manual mode and adaptive ANC. Now if you're in outdoor, you just need like multi-scene and stuff like that, but if you want just manual mode, you can go with manual mode. If you want something like indoor, you can go with indoor, or just adaptive ANC. Depends with you what you choose. And when you come to sound signature, it's having even 3D surround. So when you tap on 3D surround, the sound is so immersive and it's so intense. And when you use throughout the equalizer side, you know the signature sound of Soundcore. It's a bomb. It's really nice. So I'm gonna just keep it the same. Another kind of stuff throughout here, there is control. So you can select single tap what it does. Like single tap on my left, I want it to play, yeah, to play, and right, I want it to play and pause, same, and double tap to play. This one I'm gonna change because I need it to be volume plus, and left I need it to be volume plus. So tap, it just raises the volume, or you can just customize depending on what you want. And yeah, so that's how you can use it through the controls. Another kind of stuff, that's it. You can just go to settings, check out the settings side, what's so special inside, and yeah, there's a firmware update, you can update it. There's a prompt tone, and you can just try it out. If you have the Soundcore R50i, you can try to check out the setting, what's so special. Wow, They have a really nice design. I think they redesigned throughout the P20i. With this one, they have a different feel. I like the way the black it is like matte black. It's polished like a matte black. Just check it out. It's polished matte black, which is really dope. Let's check out the look of the feature, which they stated it's capable throughout this kind of case. I want to see how it can hold on the case. Let's try it out. Buds here on the table, and I'm going to take my phone and keep it here. Whoa, nice. I never expected that what it does. I was expecting a little bit different. I was thinking it stays this way. I don't know, my mouth was not mouthing, I guess. So it just keep the phone on this side, and there you go. You're having your phone stand using only this kind of buds. That's a cool features, to be honest. Soundcore, this is really dope. So yeah, let's talk about the Soundcore R50i ANC core specs. Well, it has a drivers of 10mm dynamic, it has an ANC hybrid ANC plus transparency mode, it has a noise reduction up to 42 dB. On the battery side, it lasts for 10 hours on the buds and 45 hours with the case. It has a Bluetooth version 5. In the microphone side, it has 4 mics with AI call noise reduction. It has a water resistance of IP54. On the extra bass, it has some bass EQ which you can customize throughout the application, and it's even having a phone stand case throughout the buds case itself. So guys, let's talk about the conclusion about the Soundcore R50i. Is it really cool? What's so special? To be honest, I really like it. It's dope, but there's something which Soundcore forgot it. It's a lanyard. I really like earbuds which have lanyard, which I can just keep it somewhere, you know what I mean? And another kind of stuff, I like the sound. The sound quality is top notch. No hesitation throughout Soundcore. We all know Soundcore, their buds, they're really good. Another kind of stuff, I like the signature of the 3D sound. It's just not working for all the music, but some of the music, it works fine. Another kind of stuff, which I think it's a top tier, is just the form factor. I kind of like the form factor. It's matte finished. It has a really nice kind of like a rounded kind of design, which they made it compared to the P20i. P20i, I feel like it was made through that kind of compact kind of design, but this one, it made through that kind of rounded kind of design. And another kind of benefit throughout using the R50i with your smartphone at your workspace, basically you can just use it as a standing case. Like a phone case, I mean, a standing case. Okay, you can keep it together. But overall, it's just really cool. I like about it. I didn't know about this kind of feature, but it's really nice. And the sound quality, I keep on talking about it. It's just surprised me. So that's what's up about the R50i. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Soundcore earbuds. Have you ever grabbed a Soundcore earbuds before, or this is your first time hearing me through Soundcore? Because I have a bunch of videos which I talked about the Soundcore earbuds, and they're really nice. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments section what did you think about these kind of buds, and yeah, let me know in another kind of buds you want me to review, because there's a liberty I'm putting my spotlight on it so as I can grab it and we talk about it. So this is just really cool, and I hope you enjoyed it throughout the video today. Out on the next one, guys, and I hope you're new. If you're new here, consider, I hope what I'm saying, if you're new here, consider subbing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. So yeah.